When updating our characters last time, we noticed that there was a bit of a problem. All of our characters that had enhanced privileges, like developers, got demoted back to player status. So looking into the code a little bit, I wanted to show the two different functions and how they work. Essentially, once you're a super user, you're already at developer status, you can use @perm and then star the character name equals what rank, and we'll get to the ranks in a bit. And this will promote the character to that rank. But I want to show this command in specific because this is running it on their account instead of just on their character. And that's important for when we're reloading characters because it left one of our developers in an odd state where he was outside of his body and couldn't get back into it because that's not something we allow the players to do. So I just wanted to do a quick video pointing out this @perm/account character name equals rank. Now let's go over what those ranks really mean. I have it here in a doc for our developers, and the rank hierarchy goes developer, admin, builder, helper, and player. Developers basically have super user access, including running Python commands directly, reloading the server, and everything else. The admins can do everything except for those server functions. So they can't run Python commands directly on the server, they can't reload the server, flush the server, but they can do everything else. If you want them not to have character privileges, like being able to change stats, go into characters. They have IC and OOC where you can pop out of your character and jump back into the game as any object or person. Admin has all those privileges. Builder doesn't. Builder basically gives you all the build commands. You can expand the world, build rooms, build exits, spawn class types that already exist, but you can't really control anything on the server and you can't run any Python code directly. And then a helper file or a helper character is just kind of like a normal player character, but you can add extra commands to them. It's just kind of an extra rank in the hierarchy that they build in by default. And then player is the default rank, which everyone has by default, which you can run through rooms and you can run through the commands that have been made public. But aside from that, you don't have any of the server or other build commands.